근데 카톤마 요가 고조야 되게 양체 이제 중들지야 그런 양체 고조야 되는데 아니 대년도 알아서 공체 테스트 아니 고조야 근데 이제 나버서 카톤마 요가게 니까라 제 양마대바다 제 강에 요조 간대요네 디코레처럼 저와라고 요가이나 아니 냠트제네 알아서 공체 아니 요가 냠트제.
Last time we start to practice the yoga. So today we are going to review that and practice here. At the same time, Khenpo is going to give some instructions on meditation as well. So since last time you practiced the yoga, if there is any discomfort or uncomfortable, inconvenient for you, you can ask questions and he will answer you.
Tene jitang yoga seyate khalse gore yoga seyate ni sa boki gtang jowaina ani namjir seyore namjir seyate ni chi yoga seyate ngene chi waina chi zupo deta namjir chi bo mai ba tene chi khalse gore zupo choding gi chi de ya chi bo mai ba ni sem jirchi jaya kani tonda lai kogi yori tendi yoga seyate inji miji zubu namjir chipo cha mai ba ani chi sem hyude yomya de thana ya ani yoga kada de jibu yori.
The yoga, the word yoga, the name yoga, it's a Sanskrit, it's not a Tibetan. So when you translate this yoga into Tibetan, it means Nanjur means integrating the realization into reality. So that's why it's not only a physical exercise, it's also inner mental exercise as well.
Namjur seyate namjur seyate narma seyate rajing tondaris tendi dig tangani jor seyate ni dig tangani rajing tangani rajing tangani lepya kan tondalani namjur seyate ni telapte yoris ni de gom seyate ni semje rajing kare ba ti tanga ani so lepba telani gom seyate namjur seyate.
So nal and jur are two syllables. Nal actually means the reality, the nature of reality, and jor means achieve. So when you put these two words together, achieve the nature of reality, so which can be understood in a mental state and not only physical.
근데 니 말한서 그니 다다 샘그 라잉 오다고 때니 지 라잉 도데 가르리 시바이나 지 데버 라잉 지 단니 지 강에 지 라잉 많이 봐 아니 지샘 십대 지 라잉 지 코랑 응네 라잉 데 리바이나 얘나야 말한서 그티 라잉 디그타나 니 플랫토고요 말이스 근데 인디 데세 마타부 짐세네 니 나서 강에 단 동에 망고 지 용되게 요디 아니 지 곰잡 근데 제바이나 tene rangin kani soso ke semje rangin amene ngote dev rangin dit anda anti teptwa indi ani ji gom ya ko yomi so la semna kangi me jom ji khade na chipte papa tan ji deji ga rangin tan dongban zom ji khande ya cha de ate ani trajina yogo yoris.
As of now, the mind of all of us, the nature of all, the mind of ourselves is a peace, relaxed, stable, but we are actually not on the state of peace and relaxation due to our mundane sort of negative emotions and afflictive emotions. So for that, when you do meditation, will bring ourselves to the state of peace and relaxation of mind. So that's the time that brings joy, inner joy, which combined with our peaceful mind, which opens our joy and smiles.
Today, the grand Gomtetia Kabla, so Tano Joke, my Yunya Kablani, Kongama, Kong, Chitang Chinapia, Chagio, Marini, Contra Mantavala, Piggy, Son, the Johnson. The knitting and capture Gendaji, your chat here, Hontana Mahabina, and it market Mahia, the Chatan Dangamari, 10 Damanda, natural Ponda Chatan Kogomari, the corner Moshi, temperature Pagio.
So Kempo said that today, when he was planning to give teaching on meditation and instructions on the mind, and he thought that there will be real translator, means Chinese translator. So this monk wasn't planning to come down, but then later he realized, he wanted to come with Kempo. He maybe have some clairvoyance. And otherwise, if he didn't come with us today, my English is not good enough to give you teaching. There will be a little bit difficult. But fortunately, he came and is better now. That's what he said. But I have no clairvoyance, because I have nothing to do over there, Taipei. So I want to accompany with them. But I didn't know that I need to translate. I got some job. It's good.
Chitan Chevaina, Gomche, so Aningarang, Chevaina, Gomche, Yamyong Tan, Gom, Mandawa, Yamyondo, Kio, Mariti, Baina, Tachi, Gom, Jactan, so this, and Jikachan, Lord, David Jimson, and Choranso, the Gom, Jactan, to the Rese, and
So however, I'm going to give instructions on meditation as best as I can, and although I have not much experience on doing actual meditation, but since I have spent last so many years in study and reading all about meditation, so therefore I'm going to try my best to give you the instructions on meditation.
Today, the Gom Karijaba in the Chatan Gom Mambo, the Tinania, the Gom Tambo, Jayajik, and Tamboni, Gashek, and Masaja Chimpo Gongwi, Sopa Chimpo Gongwi, and Gomba, Chair to Sukaja Mambo Shea, the Soap Gombo, and it's let Tambo Maran, so Tamboni, Gom Jangi, Tamboni, Chimbo, and Yadevaina, and it's Mungi. Tempo Jimisana and Kambakasi Tigan and Tempo Degamari, and the Gomin and the Lobjon in the Kandachi, Chevaina, Tambo Muji Tempo and Lobjon Lobe, the vacation Indi, and it's Gong Mujika Tambonichi, Ligan to Tain, and it's Sample Sama Tontain, the Soyan, Mujik Tang in some of the vacation.
So when we do meditation, it is important to know the basic, the fundamental meditation stages or techniques. Although we want to meditate on the very highest level and highest point, such as Mahamudra or Mahati Dzogchen, but if we don't have the experience on the basic level of meditation, then the higher meditations will not have a stable foundation. Like if you want to build a nice house, the first you need to put a really strong foundation. So therefore, it is important to know the basic techniques of meditations for beginners, so that we can start from that foundation.